Good morning, all the ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Santosh Kumar Rao, Additional District Education Officer of Cuttack, Odisha, present before you to present my innovation with my team under the able guidance of Srijukta Krishnan Chandra Nayak, District Education Officer, Cuttack. And of course, the best wishes from my colleagues Sonamika and Dipti, and all the time who had helped me, Professor Minati Pandaj, Acquisition Center, JNU, my PhD guide. And I am of course grateful to Honorable CM of Odisha and our esteemed Secretary, School and Maths Education Department, Government of Odisha, and our respected SPD Sir, Osepa. My innovation, my team who is really working hard for the innovation, that is Mission Draupadi. There is a buzz in this house about the nomenclature of this mission. What kind of mission is this and why this is known as Mission Draupadi? It's very simple. It's dedicated to our Excellency Mrs. Draupadi Murmu Madam, President India, and of course, that the proud daughter of the soil of Odisha, for whom we people of Odisha and India are proud of. So thank you so much, everybody. Now we can, my innovation, the innovation of my team is well acknowledged by Honorable Minister, School and Maths Education Department, Director Secondary, and the Collector and District Magistrate Cuttack, Dr. Bhavani Shankar Chaini sir, and of course District Education Officer sir, Krishnan Chandra Nayak sir. Now the question comes, why? The thing is like a concept क्यों आया? Why the concept of that innovation like Mission Draupadi came into existence? First of all, I would share you my friends. The government of Odisha is really working hard to bring or see change, to bring that transformation in the field of school education system, right? School education system means the government of Odisha has worked a lot to bring transformation under the umbrella of 5T in the school education system, initially at the level of secondary education. I've been, schools with 6 to 10, 1 to 10, 9 to 10, basically the government schools, right?